Welcome back to PTO Coaching. I'm Crystal Bray here, and let's talk about the ChatGPT 4.0 industry update. Yes, it's here. It does translations, it does analysis, it can tutor, a slew of things that it can do. Duolingo actually had a stock dip because of it. So let's get back to the analysis piece. Something I would coach folks on is say, hey, you might not have all the technical or hard skills to do quote unquote data analysis. But if you ask the right question, you can get out some pretty good answers. And this is kind of proving it to us. So let's just dive in. I'm going to try the new model. I'm going to upload a CDNow data set, which is actually a simple event log. We're going to take that information and throw it into ChatGPT and say, hey, figure this out. I'm going to do the sample data set. We got data. I'm going to tell it, hey, ChatGPT. I'm going to give it this and say, so here are some details. Let's see if it understands that. Great. Looking at this data set and what you know about the data structure, predict the forward-looking customer lifetime value for 1 year, 5 years, and plot that in an appropriate visualization. Okay, let's see what it does. Oh, it doesn't want to do it. It doesn't want to do it. I know how to do these things. Oh, but it's going to make a pandas file for us, or a Python file. Oh, it's making a Python. Okay, not bad, to be honest. I wonder if they pulled in the lifetimes package. Oh, there it is. Wow, I was just thinking that it needs to pull in the lifetimes package. This is wild. Wow. Okay. So, I mean, maybe it didn't run the data set, but you can just copy and paste this into your Python query. Okay, let's ask it again. Can you share some visuals about the data set? Let's see. Try it again. Oh no. Okay. I might be asking the wrong things because now it's just giving me more Python code. I mean, this isn't a bad answer. I'm just not seeing what I expected. Literally not seeing visuals. Let's look at this. Okay. So try it in playground. Great.
Hey, how's it going?
So kind of what am I expecting? Nope, not doing that. Model capability. I love all these engineers. Can you plot me any graphs based on the data set that I can download as .png? I mean, that's a little more specific. Let's see here. Here's the code again. So as you can see, I'm gonna pause here because, to be honest, if I have this problem using ChatGPT, you might have this problem and maybe you'll get a different answer. Yes, we're gonna come back for another update and see when it kind of gets to that point. But for now, that's Crystal Bray with PTO Coaching, and we're trying to get you to replace AI, and apparently you still can. Later.